Hello, I'm glad you're here for another tasty recipe because I've got a really good one that is perfect not only for your salads but for your roasted and grilled vegetables too. You're gonna love this lemon basil vinaigrette. It's so super easy. You've probably got all 4 ingredients already right in your kitchen because it's that simple to make. So you're gonna need some fresh basil, and don't worry, if you don't have fresh basil, dried basil will do too. You'll take 2 tablespoons of fresh basil, slice it up. If you don't have it, do what I'm doing. Use 2 teaspoons of dried basil and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Throw that into a bowl. Then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, pour that into your bowl too, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Throw that in. See, I told you, you probably already have all the ingredients right in your kitchen. Then we're just gonna whisk it up. I love this for my salads or just to dip fresh vegetables in. But the ultimate that really just brings out the flavor in this recipe that I do all the time: roasted or grilled vegetables. It's really good with grilled or roasted zucchini. It is so good. Or saute it. There's so much versatility with it. Just drizzle it over and you've got this extra little kind of tangy sauce. Perfect for that spring or summertime get together. So we're gonna make sure it gets really mixed up here. Perfect. I love how that lemon just really infuses the basil flavor. It is amazing. Oh, you're gonna love this. You're gonna love dipping your vegetables in it. You're gonna love it on your grilled veggies too. Perfect. That basil just pops, and then the slight tartness of the lemon in it. Leaves such a clean finish in your mouth. This is one of my ultimate versatile salad dressings that I love for the summertime. I hope you love this recipe as much as I love you.